welcome back to another video. I'm Shalita Kristina. If you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my at-home facial routine. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Before I even touch my skin, I always like to wash my hands first, and I use the Dove Beauty Bar. So let's go ahead and wash our hands. So with those same wet hands, I like to go ahead and wet my face. Then I go into cleansing my skin, and this is the cleanser that I like to use, and this is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. And I just pump that right into the palm of my hand, rub that into my palms, apply that to my skin. And then I like to go in with my spin brush. Now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my face. Now I'm going to take some micellar water and just apply that to a cotton round and wipe it all over my face. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and just steam. Now I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate. I like to use a DIY exfoliant. I store it in my old Tree Hut scrub container, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse. I'm going to do some facial hair removal, and to do that, I'm going to be using these eyebrow razors. There's some coconut oil. And I just apply it all over my face. And I'm just going to go in a downward motion. Another cotton round with some micellar water and just wipe it over my face again. Now I'm going to go ahead and steam a second time. Now I'm going to apply a mask. I'm going to be using my favorite mask, and this is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. So this is how it looks now that I have it all mixed up. And I'm just going to apply that to my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and steam one last time before I start applying my serum and my moisturizers and all of that good stuff. I like that tightening sensation that I feel once I'm done using that specific mask. So now that I'm done with my final steam, I'm going to be applying the serum. I'm going to be using the Olay Vitamin C and Peptide Brightening Serum. I'm just going to use my hands to evenly distribute it. So I'm going to be applying my eye cream. I'm going to be using the Olay Retinol 24 Max Eye Cream. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel with hyaluronic acid. I'm going to follow up with my shade roller. On top of that, I'm going to be applying a bit of coconut oil. I'm going to take about that much. Now I'm going to apply a bit of black Jamaican castor oil in my spoolie and dip it in. And then just lightly brush through my brows with it. And also just go over my lashes. Lastly, I'm going to be applying my Alia Lip Reviving Lip Balm. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!